And now that it's all spread out, we're going to go ahead and put this into the freezer for 2 hours to let it set. Before we get into this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Hello, Candy Toys here, and welcome back to our channel. We have a new video for you. Please check out this video and subscribe to our channel. Check out all our other videos, and don't forget to hit that like button. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Hello, Candy Toys here, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making an easy no-bake cheesecake that your family will love. This is a special cheesecake with the flag colors that you can serve during Memorial Day, July 4th or Independence Day, and Labor Day. What you will need to make this special cheesecake is a store-bought graham cracker crust, some cheesecake filling from Philadelphia, also Cool Whip, strawberries, and blueberries, which are both optional. You will also need red and blue food coloring to help make the flag colors. The first thing you want to do is to divide your cheesecake filling into 3 equal parts. I kind of eyeballed it here, but if you want to measure it, you can measure it. Just make sure that all 3 containers have about the same amount of filling in them. Next, you want to go ahead and add the food coloring. You want to add the blue food coloring to one bowl, the red food coloring to another bowl, and you want to leave the other bowl as white because we will be making a red, white, and blue cheesecake. Next, you want to go ahead and mix it very well until it completely turns the color that it's supposed to be. In this case, it's blue. But if you feel that it's not the desired color blue, you can continue to add as much food coloring as you need to make it the desired color. Here I went ahead and just mixed the white up to get the lumps out and to make sure it was smooth. When they are all mixed up, you want to go ahead and start layering your pie crust. First start with the red, because we're going to do red, white, and blue. And we're going to smooth that all out, and it's going to be popped into your freezer for about 20 minutes. And when it's all frozen, you add the next layer and continuing adding each layer one at a time. Now we're ready to put it into the freezer for about 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
When it comes out of the freezer, you want to start adding the next layer. In this case, it will be the white layer. And after you spread this all out, you're going to also pop this into the freezer for about 20 minutes. When it's all done, we're going to go ahead and pop it into the freezer now for 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
Now that it's out of the freezer, we're going to begin to add the final layer, which is the blue layer. And when this is done being spread out on top of the white layer, this time the entire pie is going to go into the freezer for 2 hours to let the whole thing set before we begin to decorate it. And now that it's all spread out, we're going to go ahead and put this into the freezer for 2 hours to let it set.
2 hours later.
So here we have the cheesecake completely done. You can serve it like this if you wish, or you can go ahead and add some Cool Whip and some fruit. In this case, we're adding Cool Whip, and we're going to top it with some blueberries and strawberries, but you can top it with any fruit that you want, or sprinkles, or anything to make it festive for your holiday. Strawberries and blueberries fit because they are the flag colors, but you can also use cherries and raspberries if you wish. Just make it your own. So now that it's all done decorated, we're going to go ahead and cut the cheesecake so that we can see what it looks like in the inside. And here it is. This is our finished product. We can see the red, white, and blue. Very festive. Your guests are going to love this cheesecake. Well, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.